This is Tim Willis, an arm with copy of OBS and the built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. So one of the newsletters I'm subscribed to is the Superhuman newsletter, which is all about AI. And they generally have some products that they introduce that have come on the market that are AI or AI related. And so I was looking there today and I just checked this out. So this is a free AI-powered photo editor, apparently, called PxBee. I haven't played with it at all. You're seeing the website, and you haven't even signed up. It does advertise free AI tools. Now, they don't give a pricing on here, so I don't know if it's completely free or it's a limited free service or website, however you want to say that. So let's go ahead and sign up. See what happens. And this is as live and as raw as it gets. Okay. So it's going to ask us how we want to log in. I'm going to choose an email. Then we click continue. And it's going to ask us to create a password. We accept the privacy policy and create our account. Now, of course, they're going to send a verification code to your email. It's an annoying thing, but that's just how it goes. And once we enter the verification code, we are back to this page, although we have an account now with the ability to sign out. Now, apparently this is developed by a site called Fotor, F-O-T-O-R. And that is the name of the company that appeared on the verification email. So let's see what we have here. We have a background remover, background changer, AI enhancer, AI background generator. Okay, so it gives us here we can upload an image. And we'll just use one of their stock images here. All right, and then remove the background. We could, looks like, change the background. Try that. We could blur the background. Or we could use an AI background. We'll just use this one here. See what happens. Ask us to log in. Okay, so we have a generated AI background. And we could download that if we wanted to. All right, so far it looks pretty cool. I'm still concerned that we don't see anything about the pricing or whatever. It's always free, but so far they haven't hit us up for any money. Okay, and let's see what all we have. We have a background mover, photo enhancer, background changer, logo, background remover, signature, background mover, AI replace, magic eraser, AI image extender, and a watermark remover. Well, I'm not going to try all these out. And because we just wanted to take a quick look to see what was cooking with this website. But for right now, it seems to be pretty cool. As things stand right now, it looks like it's a free site you can use. Just be aware that that can change at any time. That is my quick review of PxBee website. If things change, I might do an update video. If you like the content, please like and subscribe, because we are all rearranging deck chairs on the RMS algorithm, and it helps the channel, and I thank you. Other than that, my name is Tim Williams. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, web page design, market research, and all the tools we use in our work, which may include PxBee, to get things done. That's for now. I'll talk to you later.